would you believe it or not, another video on the Q50. But now, a brand new video for you guys. So, it's gonna get some body work done. Finally, I'm gonna get these on. These are the Blitz side skirts. I already have the rear. I just kind of already took everything apart. But as you guys can see, it's the quad tip diffuser. Took it all apart. This, I think it looks fine, but it has imperfections. Like, this is 3M tape that was coming off. The plan with this is gonna be, I'm gonna be molding it onto the bumper itself. So, you know, it's gonna look a lot cleaner, a lot more flush. And just these side skirts though, they're already painted. They're painted last year, but, and the way this kit works is this goes over the OEM one. So I didn't want to put so much weight on it because of, so ideally it goes like this. But I didn't want to put so much weight on it because, yeah, it wasn't gonna look good. But with this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get them molded as well. Let's see what my body guy thinks, my body work guy thinks. And yeah, I'm excited for this. I got at least a month to prep. Once again, subscribe, leave a like, and you know, let's keep on watching the channel, stay updated with, you know, the Q50 and the S15. Like I said. All right, so now it's already dark time, or night. It's already nighttime. I loaded up my bumper, my side skirts onto the truck, and I'm getting ready to take it over to the shop. It's like, and keep you guys updated on this journey on body work and just the Q in general. Like I said, I want to start making more content. I'll pick up with you guys either when I'm at the shop or once I drop everything off. This is gonna be a video of the Q, just getting a whole new look. Nothing crazy, obviously, just right now it looks a little dirty. This video will be a couple of days, but it'll be all in one. Try to make it into like a little time lapse. This, we are getting new mirror caps as well. As you guys can tell, I took off the carbon fiber overlay, but I left some residue. But here, this side's still on. I was gonna sand it down and re-clear it because they're faded, but I just ended up with decided to buy some new ones. I did go with the horn style this time. Second. How to change it up a little bit. So, you know, I won't make this a boring video. I'll just make it like a little time lapse, and you know, we'll get right into the video. All right, mirror caps are on. Same with this side. Looks a lot better. Definitely looks a lot more aggressive. I am gonna have to get some new turn signals. Probably just get them off Amazon for now. Then I'll order some good ones. I mean, I don't think it makes a difference. They're just sequential. I don't really care about the whole RGB or DRL. Next up is gonna be the front lip. I already have the bumper off. I just need to pull it off, and this part is not looking bad. It's looking pretty good, but it is a little dirty. So, you know, I gotta make content on this car and this car. So that's pretty much it for now. Let me get started with the front lip. We're back with the continuation of transforming the Q50. As you guys saw previously, we installed these M-style mirror caps, some carbon fiber. It's not a cover, it's the whole cap. Now we're gonna move on to the front lip. Some hardware that I bought from Home Depot. So it's just a screw and nut. So that way I can just put it on. Don't have to make any holes since it already has holes from my previous lip. And I do have some washers as well that I'm gonna use just in case I need them. I know there is a part of my bumper that has a big hole But that's pretty much it. Lip is fully on. Looks pretty good. It's even. Now it's just a matter of putting my bumper back on. And step 2 out of the stuff I need to install still. It was mirror caps and lip. Now I just need my side skirts and rear bumper. But it already looks mean with the lip alone. So, make sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Have any questions, let me know. And yeah, keep on updated with the video. I hope you guys are enjoying so far. Alright, finally putting on the body parts, on the body pieces. This is my Blitz side skirt. Already looking hella nice. So first I want to apologize. This video's been all over the place in different timelines or different dates. We'll go back to installing my side skirt, this time for the driver's side. I had installed this side, as you guys saw in the last clip. I was installing it. Today we're gonna be finishing up the car. I'm gonna be installing the side skirt on this side, the driver's side, and then same with my carbon fiber trunk. But yeah, we'll get started with getting this side done. All right, so side skirt is on. I just need to tuck in this fender liner. I swear I have no luck with trying to fix this car up. I'm pressing it in and it just cracks. I had it originally repaired. That's why I only had one side done. Now I'm gonna get to installing my trunk. Let me get started on that, and then I'll keep you guys updated once it's fully on. All right, so we finally finished putting everything on. Besides that little crack right there, I'll see how I could get it fixed. Here's the trunk. It's hella dusty, as you guys can tell, but it's looking good. If you guys can see this little, there you go, this little fade into the carbon. Here I'll probably see it a lot better in the sun, but what's missing now is some exhaust tips is what it's missing. I have a quad tip. I just need to get them all mounted and welded on and get the whole fitment sorted out. Obviously, it's a little dirty, but low-key, the car being so dark in color, the black accents don't really give it justice, or they don't really make pop better. But overall, I'm happy, besides that little flaw right there. I'll have to see how I can get it fixed. So that's pretty much it with the new look of the Q. Ignore the trunk on the floor. I can show you guys a little sneak peek of what I got cooking. You already know. We're gonna go on air. Hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram, and any questions you have, make sure to let me know in either Instagram or down in the comments.